lot of investment asset classes, but guess what? Real estate is the champ. If you take a look at the last 81 years, real estate values have gone up 73 years, down 7 years, and even 1 year. Think about that record. Everybody worries about the period of time where prices went down, but there was different circumstances. Crazy underwriting guidelines, essentially fog up a mirror and you can get approved. Plus inventory, way overbuilt, not enough demand at that time. Today, it's a totally different story. In addition to that, people look at the last couple of years and say, hey, home values went up a lot, so they have to crash. Well, you know what? In periods of time back over 50 years ago, you had values go up 118% in a 6-year period. They didn't drop for another 43 years, and then they only dropped by 1%. There's also periods of time where they went up 93% in 6 years. So this period of time that we've seen prices rise, it's nothing compared to sometimes in the past. We can see home values continue to do well in the coming years.